My name is Devan Dubnyk, and I was traded to the Minnesota Wild in 2015. And I was really interested in the new S-Class, so when I signed a new contract, I came here and got it, and I've had it since, so this is my first S-Class trade since. I considered Mercedes-Benz to be the first one I ever drove. I got a 2008 C350, and I kind of fallen in love since then. I've had many different Mercedes throughout the years, and I've also driven other cars with my travels and stuff. I love cars, and I've tried a bunch of different makes and models, and I've always come back. It's just something about them that I enjoy driving them more than anything else. I've worked with Donnie Harvey the entire time. I met him when I first came in here, and he's just been extremely helpful. He's very easy to get a hold of. Any questions I ever have, I can just fire him an email or a text, and he's very quick to get back to me. He's honest. He's easy to talk to about the vehicles, and it's been awesome. Here's just been great. Honestly, I've traveled a lot, played on a lot of different teams, been through a lot of different dealerships, and I always feel a little bit disappointed going elsewhere. I feel like the treatment that I've got here, both in sales and service, has been the best that I've seen around. My product concierge was Andrew, and he was great. We sat down a few days ago and went through everything in the car. And you know, I've had Mercedes for a long time, so there weren't too many difficult questions, but I know if I have any, I can give him a call. I chose Feldmann Imports because I was actually recommended by my goalie coach when I got traded here. He knew some people down here and also had a great experience, so it was an easy choice, and glad I made it. I'd recommend Feldmann Imports, just the service and friendliness of the staff. Like I said, I've been to lots of different dealerships, and nothing has really come close to the way I've been treated here. The thing that makes Feldmann Imports different, I think, than any other dealership is, you know, as I mentioned before, the service is just incredible, especially anytime you need the cars taken in. They're always willing to valet, to bring it to your house, just to kind of go that extra step to make it easier. You know, everybody's busy. I got 3 kids at home, and it's always easy. I mean, I bring, we have another vehicle, it's not a Mercedes, and I bring it in here half the time because it's just, the service is incredible. I will definitely come back to Feldmann Imports because, one, they're a Mercedes dealer, and I like that, but like everything I said, you know, every staff member is extremely friendly, and the service is great.